We begin in the name of God, the most beneficent and the most merciful. In previous lectures, we have completed chapter 2, that is polynomial. Today we have to start with the new chapter, that is chapter 14, areas of triangles and quadrilateral. Area, you all are aware about areas of triangle and quadrilateral as well, because you have studied it in class 8. We know that triangles are of 6 types, 3 on the basis of sides and 3 on the basis of angle. On the basis of side, triangles are either scalar or equilateral or isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Scalene triangle, all sides are different in length. According to the angles, triangles are either right angle triangle, एक उसमें 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए, acute angle triangle और obtuse angle triangle, जिसमें एक angle 90 से ज़्यादा होता है. So today we will learn about areas of triangle. Okay, till now you are finding area of triangle in which height is given, just like if this is a triangle and this is its sides and this is its base. This is its base and this is its height. Then the area of triangle is equals to half base into height. अभी तक क्लास 8 में हमने एरिया इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करके निकाला, जिसमें हाइट गिवन हो और बेस गिवन होना चाहिए. Now in this chapter in class 9 we will learn about how to find area of a triangle when height is not given. Okay, so let's see the formula for finding area of any triangle in which sides are given. You know the length of sides. PQR is a triangle where PR is equals to A, its length is A. Suppose कर लिया हमने, PQ की length है B and QC की length is C. So the area of this triangle will be under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is called Heron's formula. Heron was an Egyptian mathematician. In the honor of him, because he calculated the area of a triangle when all sides are given, to honor him, this formula is known as Heron's formula, or we can say Hero's formula. But A, B, C, I told you they are the length of the sides. So what is S? S is semi-parameter. So S is semi-parameter. Semi-parameter means, parameter क्या होता है? Sum of all sides. Sides are A, B, C. This is parameter. Semi means half. Circle बनाते हैं तो full circle. Semi-circle means, protractor is an example. So we will divide it by 2. So S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. And now we will apply this Heron's formula in different problems. If we apply Heron's formula to equilateral triangle, then area of equilateral triangle will be under root S. Okay, and what is S? S is equal to A plus A, sum of all sides, divided by 2. S is semi-parameter. So S is equals to A plus A by 2. That means 3A by 2. This is your semi-parameter. Now put values. Your different sides are also A. So it will be equal to S is 3A by 2. S minus A is, if we apply this Heron's formula in area of equilateral triangle, then S is 3A by 2. S minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. S minus B, another side is also A because this is equilateral triangle and all sides are equal. So nothing is there, that means multiplication. Now 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A. Basis same, powers will be added to 1, 2, 3. 3A upon 2 minus A की whole power 3. Now 3 कोई साइन नहीं, दैट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, a by 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन, कोई साइन नहीं है, 3a minus 2 और यहाँ पर हम एलसीएम लेंगे अपॉन 1 करके, तो it will be 3a minus 2a upon 2 and whole cube. 3a minus 2a is a upon 2 whole cube, one more a upon 2, again bases are same, so powers will be added, so it will become 3 into a by 2 whole power 4. Now 4 times, so power 4 है, स्क्वायर रूट से स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल, तो a स्क्वायर बाय 2 स्क्वायर बाहर आएगा, 2 स्क्वायर मीन्स 4, तो a स्क्वायर बाय 4 और रूट 3 विल रिमेन इनसाइड क्योंकि इस 3 का स्क्वायर नहीं था, तो एरिया ऑफ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल विल बी a स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 रूट 3 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. Area of an equilateral triangle will be a square by 4 root 3 according to Heron's formula, square units. Now we can also find height of an equilateral triangle using this formula. Okay. As we know that area of a triangle is equals to half base into height. Area of equilateral triangle we had calculated now. रूट 3 a स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, ये अभी हमने एरिया निकाला यूजिंग हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला. इट इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ, बेस इज कंप्लीट बेस इज a एंड हाइट इज h. नाउ h इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 3 a स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, डिनोमिनेटर में इक्वल्स किस तरफ जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, a न्यूमरेटर में था तो इधर आएगा तो इट विल बी इन डिनोमिनेटर. Now a से स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 2 1s are 2 2s are, तो हाइट ऑफ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल विल बी रूट 3a by 2. This is the height of an equilateral triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle using Heron's formula. This is your isosceles triangle, equal sides is equals to a and base is b. Okay, now put values in Heron's formula, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, two sides are equal to s minus a and s minus a. Third side, that is your base, so it is equals to b, and s, that is semi parameter, is equals to a plus b, that means 2a plus b divided by 2. Now we will put these values in this formula, so it will be equal to put values of s over here, we will get 2a plus b by 2 minus a, 2a plus b by 2 minus a and 2a plus b by 2 minus b. Again bases are same, so power will be added, so it will become 2a plus b upon 2 multiplied by 2a plus b by 2 minus a and 2a plus b by 2 minus b. Now we will take LCM in next step. So when we will take LCM, it will become 2a plus b same and minus a into 2 is 2a. Here 2 into b, it will be 2b plus 2a minus 2a, it will be cancelled with each other, and b minus 2b you will get minus b. So square root 2a plus b by 2, 2a plus b by 2. Here you will get b upon 2 whole square. Here you will get 2a minus b, बड़े का साइन आएगा, upon 2. Now look, in denominator we have 2 2s, so it will become square. So 1 upon 2 बाहर रूट से. Now b upon 2 का whole square, स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल, तो b upon 2 will come out, and inside root we have only 2a plus b and 2a minus b. Plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. b1s are b, 2 into 2, 4, square root, a was 2a का whole square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So it will become 2a whole square minus b square. This will be equal to b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square. This is the area of an isosceles triangle. Now we can also calculate height of an isosceles triangle. We know that area half base into height. Area of an isosceles triangle is b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square. We had calculated it from Heron's formula, and remaining is, because base is b, so it is same. Now transfer them. So h is equals to height of an isosceles triangle will be equal to b upon 4 a square minus b square under root में is equals to, नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 2 था तो ऊपर आ जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में, और न्यूमरेटर में b था, it will come in denominator. b से b cancel and 2 1s are 2 2s are, so here only we will get 1 upon 2 under root 4a square minus b square. This is the height of an isosceles triangle. Okay, where a is equal sides and b is base. Till now we have learned area of scalene triangle using Heron's formula, how to calculate. Area of equilateral triangle is a square by 4 root 3 square units, and its height is a by 2 root 3 units. And we have calculated area of an isosceles triangle is b upon 4 under root 4a square minus b square units, and height is 1 upon 2 under root 4a square minus b square units. Now we will apply these formula in exercise. Now question number 1 is, they have given you base 24 centimeter, height 14.5 centimeter, and they said you to calculate area. Now we have 4 choices for area. एरिया हम इस Heron's फॉर्मूला से भी निकाल सकते. इक्विलेटरल का एरिया का फॉर्मूला है, आइसोसेलेस का एरिया का फॉर्मूला है, एंड एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल एंड हाइट इज गिवन. तो व्हिच वन वी विल यूज? We will use fourth one, because height is given and base is given, so we will use this formula to calculate area of a triangle. Question number 2. The base of a triangular field is 3 times of its altitude, and at the cost of sowing the field at rupees 58 per hectare is rupees 783. Find its base and height. This is the question. You have to find base and height. Area is not given. उन्होंने आपको कॉस्ट ऑफ सोइंग दी है, टोटल कॉस्ट, और रेट पर हेक्टेयर सोइंग का है वो दिया हुआ है. तो वी नो दैट कॉस्ट ऑफ सोइंग इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया इनटू rate per hectare. This is the formula to calculate the total cost. It is equals to rupees 783. Area we don't know. Base or height is we use which one formula? Half base into altitude one. Half base and altitude. Base is given, neither altitude is given. Now let altitude be x units and base is 3 times altitude. Times means multiply, altitude is x. So base is equals to 3x units. When we will apply formula half base into altitude, to half base is 3x, altitude is x, into rate is given 58 rupees per hectare. Now we will calculate it, find the value of x. 2 is in denominator, so it will come in numerator. 3 is in numerator, so it will come in denominator. X into x is x square. But this value is in hectare. X will be equal to, square हटता है तो रूट लगती है सामने वाले नंबर पर, तो you will get one more thing I want to remind है कि हेक्टेयर है. एरिया तो हेक्टेयर में हो सकता है, पर सिंगल यूनिट लेंथ, ब्रेथ या हाइट हेक्टेयर में नहीं हो सकती. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट हेक्टेयर इनटू meter. And we know that 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. We will convert hectare into meter. 10,000 is a square of 100. 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 29s are 58, and 3 ones are 3, 3 261. When you will simplify it, you will get root 9. 29 ones are 29 and 29 nines are 261. Root 9 means 3 square. Square se square root cancel and you will get 100 into 3, that is equals to 300 meter. This is the value of x. X means altitude. X means altitude. Now base is 3x. 3 into 300 is 900. So base is equals to 3s. It is equals to 900 units. This is your answer. 5. Find the area of a triangular field whose sides are 91, 98 and 105 meter in length. Find the height corresponding to the longest side. 91, 98 and 105. Okay. So 3 different sides are given. That means it is a type of scalene triangle. So we will use Heron's formula to calculate the area. So we will calculate semi-parameter. Its value will be 147. We will put values of S and A, B, C in formula. So we will get 147. 147 minus 91, that is your A. 147 minus 98, that is your B. 147 minus 105, that is your C. Now we will subtract them. 147 का 147, रूट की जगह रूट, मल्टीप्लाई कोई साइन नहीं है, that means multiplication. 147 minus 91 will be 56. When you subtract this, you will get 49, and after this subtraction, you will get 42. And we will break 147. It will become 3 into 49. 56. 7 8s are 56. 49 को 49 इसलिए रहने दिया क्योंकि यहाँ में 49 मिल गया था. स्क्वायर रूट से स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल. फिर 42 is 6 7s are 42. Now we have 249. Okay, and 2 7. तो स्क्वायर से स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल. तो लेफ्ट इनसाइड 3 49 और 7 से चला गया into 8 into 6. We'll again make factors of it. 3 3. 8 means 2 cube. Then 6 means 2 into 3. How many 2's we are having? That means 4 square. Square से square root cancel. So 4 will come out and 3 square. So 3 will come out. So it will become 49 into 7 into 3 into 4. Now we will multiply it. So area of this field will be 4116 meter square. Now we know the area. We have to calculate the height also. उन्होंने कहा इसकी हाइट भी आपको बतानी है corresponding to the longest side. The longest side is 105. This will be your base. Area is equals to half base into area. We had calculated, that is 4116. Half base is longest side, that is 105, and height. Now h is equals to, it is in denominator, so it will come here in numerator, and it is in numerator, so it will come in denominator. Now cancel it by 3, so you will get 35. Here you will get 1372. They both will cancel by 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 196 times 1372. When you will multiply, you will get 392 divided by 5. So divisible nahi hai further. So here you will get 78.4 meter, that is height. Question number 7. The perimeter of a triangular field is 540. Perimeter दिया हुआ है आपको, and its sides are in the ratio 25:17 into 1:4. 12 रेशो में है. Find the area and the cost of plowing the field at 5 rupees per meter square. So first of all you will write, let the common ratio be x. Therefore sides are 25x, 17x and 12x. First of all we will find semi-parameter. Semi-parameter will be equal to 25x plus 17x plus 12x upon 2. It will be equals to 54 by 2. X, it will be equal to 27x. We know that parameter is 540. It is given in question that perimeter is equal to 540 meters. So semi-parameter will become 270 meter. So the value of s is 270x. Multiplication में equals किधर जाएगा तो division में, so the value of x will be 10 meter. Now we will calculate area of triangle using Heron's formula. So a is equals to 25, means 25 into 10, 250. B is equals to 17x, value of x is 10, so it will become 170 meter. And C, the third side will be, the third side is equals to 12x. So 12 into 10 you will get to 120 meter. Now we will put the value of A, B, C in Heron's formula to calculate the area. So Heron's formula is under root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. S is 270 minus 250, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 120. When you subtract them, you will get 270 into 20. कोई साइन नहीं है यहाँ भी, कोई साइन नहीं. That means multiplication 100 multiplied by 150. Now we will break them into their factors. 270 means 2 into 27 multiplied by 10. 2 into 10, 10 square and 15 into 10. स्क्वायर से स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो जाती है as we know. तो 10 स्क्वायर है तो एक 10 बाहर आ जाएगा. Then again 2 10s are here. तो फिर से एक 10 बाहर आ जाएगा. अंडर रूट में only 27 is left. 2 into 50 and one more 10. 10 is left in root. Now we will again make factor of these numbers. So you will get 10 into 10 is 100. 27 is 3 cube. 2 into 5 and 15 is 5 into 3 and 10 is 2 into 5. Now you will get 2 2s. So 100. One more 2 will come out. 3 cube है, 3 3 है तो दो बाहर में से एक बाहर आ जाएगा. 5 2 है तो 1 5 will come out और 1 3 यहाँ पर और 1 3 यहाँ पर. Total 4 3s. So 1 more 3. Now we will multiply it. We will get 100 in 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are. Area will be equal to 9,000 meter square. Now question is further saying find the cost of plowing the field. Cost is equals to area into rate. Cost is equals to area into rate. Area of that field was 9,000 अभी हमने calculate किया है and rate is giving 5 rupees per meter square. Area was in meter square. We will multiply by it 5. So here you will get 5 9s are 45,000 rupees. This is the cost of plowing the field and your answer. So today we have learnt about the Heron's formula, calculating area of scalene triangle, area of equilateral triangle, area of isosceles triangle, and we applied these formula in questions. So in next lecture we will continue with the same exercise.